It is Monday morning here. I am running super late, you guys. I was supposed to be at the warehouse real early this morning. It is almost 11 o'clock. So I'm definitely running very, very late, but I'm on my way. Today, I plan on doing some more training with Brianna on designing. There's a lot of things that I need to do. Clear up emails, respond to emails, do some designing myself, pay some invoices, you name it, I need to do it. Like I said, March has just been a hectic month. Like, wild. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just been a very wild month. I feel like I just hadn't been home. I've been gone more than I've been home. So this week is about catching up before Q2. Also, we're launching our anniversary drop this Friday. So there's a lot that's going to go into that. The actual bag should be arriving to the warehouse tomorrow. So a lot of the footage and the content that we were planning to get, we basically had to push back or scrap it because we didn't have the bag yet. So the bag should arrive, and then we can really ramp up with the content. We finished the dressing room vanity area. So this week I want to get started on the living room and the office space, as far as the content rooms in the warehouse. So I want to get the wallpaper and stuff up for that. Get TJ and my dad to help purchase a couch. I need to purchase a couch. Right now, I don't know if I want a green couch or a yellow couch. That's like the current dilemma. What color couch do I want? I know it's either going to be green or yellow, because in my mind, those are the two colors that are going to pop when you see it on social media and all these other places. Like, it's going to grab your attention that, oh, she's sitting on a yellow couch or a green couch. So I need to buy a couch. Yeah, that's pretty much everything that's going on in my head at this moment. I gotta drink my Olipop. Y'all know how I feel about Olipops. I love these things. I tried that other brand, Poppy or whatever they're called. I'm not a fan, but that's just me. Some people will love it. It depends on like how sweet you want things to be. In my opinion, Olipop actually tastes like soda. Like, I can look at the flavors and know what it's going to taste like. I can know it's good. Oh, this is going to taste similar to a Sprite. This is going to taste similar to orange, soda or whatever the case may be. Even though they're completely healthy, they still give me the flavor that I'm looking for. Poppy wasn't giving me the flavor that I desired. And I tried quite a few of them, and I still was just not impressed. So there's that. It's just like the Alani, the new Alani, the peach that I've been drinking all the rave, right? Like, I will talk about that darn peach energy drink until I can't no more. Why? Because it tastes just like a peach soda. It's good. You can drink it down. It don't have no crash, none of that. But the rest of Alani's flavors, in my opinion, pretty much all taste the same. Like, it doesn't matter which one I grab. There might be a slight twinge of a difference, but they all taste alike. So the peach really blew me away because I could actually tell it was peach flavor. And I enjoy that. So I'm about to pull up to the warehouse now, and go inside and get my day started. So y'all come with me. I'm gonna try to remember to record what I can. I can't promise I will get it all. find a purse. Talk about, y'all, this is so freaking sturdy. Like, the structure on this. But wait, there's more. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. It's coming with a durable insert. Oh my god. So you have all of these pockets that it's going to come with. On the inside, you have pockets and a zipper pocket as well. But then, oh my god. Feels like we are finally all in the office together.
We're whole again.
It's been a long time since we've all been together. So, we got a lot to go over, but me and the girls have a lot to do today as well, so I don't want to, I want to try to keep this short and as brief as we can, potentially, if possible. But we do have a lot to go over, honestly. It came in. We're going to record some footage today. This is what it looks like. I feel personally people are going to love it because as somebody that has been buying luxury bags for the past 2 years or whatever, I know how much it really costs to get all of these individual things, and they're getting it at once. So it's really sturdy. Would you like to feel it?
Flame, keep that fire lit.